video, I want to do a laser burn on a canvas. So apparently what you do is you apply 2 real even coats of paint on this canvas. You can just use regular spray paint. And then when you burn this, you're just burning away that top layer of paint, and it will then reveal this white canvas underneath. So you'll see a lot of that look with the patent posters or blueprint posters. I believe this paint is actually called ink blue, so I think it's going to be perfect for this. So I'm going to coat 2 of these. One, so I can run my speed and power test to figure out the exact speed and power that I want to run. Anytime you change a material, you need to run a speed and power test with your laser so that you can figure out the exact look that you're going for and what speed and power it will take to get that. I'm sure at some of the slower speeds, it will burn right through this. And I'm sure at the higher speeds, it won't take enough of the paint off. So I will paint 2 of these. I will do my speed and power test, and I will show you my results from that. Here's my speed and power test. And just like I expected, most of these burned all the way through. But that's fine. That's why you do this test. Anytime you're switching materials, you need to do this test because you don't know what the laser is going to do to that particular medium. For the look that I'm going for the blueprint / patent poster, I think I'm going to choose this one here. I like the fact that it takes out almost all of the blue, but leaves just a little bit behind. And it actually gives me a pretty good speed there at 50 millimeters a second. So I'm going to set my file up. It will be set for 30% power at 50 millimeters a second. And I will show you guys the laser doing its thing. Program's done running. Let's see how it did. I think that looks great. I think that the laser took off just the right amount of blue there. You can see if you look real deep in there that the laser left behind just a little bit of blue in the deeper parts of the canvas. I think that gives it a perfect patent poster look. I'm very pleased with this. I can't wait to play around with this some more. Maybe do another layer of paint over the top of the blue and then experiment with different powers and speeds to see what kind of burning I can do and have a multicolor print here. But I think for the first one, this is an overall success. I'm very pleased the way it turned out. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, take it easy.